Hey Facebook, it's Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we're going to talk about a 6L90 transmission. This is an automatic transmission for your GM, SUV, and truck applications. This unit, along the lines of all of our other automatic transmissions, does come with the fully remanufactured torque converter and the integral bell housing. This unit also happens to carry a stator support shaft that has upgraded seals which eliminate the leakage issues. It also has updated sprags and a fluid pump which help with the proper holding capacity and pressures. It also comes with custom spec bushings, and it's dyno tested before leaving our center to ensure operability. After it's dyno tested, we back it with our Powertrain Promise warranty to ensure your peace of mind. If you want to talk with us about some pricing, you can reach us at 888-842-0023 or follow us online to powertrainproducts.net, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.